Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating the file and locking design choices so you don't chase style later. Choose a theme and the correct aspect ratio for your display. This avoids cropping when you present. Once done, edit master slides to set fonts, color palette, and default placeholders so every new slide follows a rule. Import logos, images, and custom fonts into one project folder to speed layout. This first setup saves time and keeps every slide consistent as you build. You now construct the core slides. Pick layout variations for each message and keep hierarchy clear. Use guides and the Arrange panel to align text and visuals. Spacing of 8 to 16 px keeps rhythm. Once done, create reusable groups and lock layers to prevent accidental shifts while you refine content. Use image masks, charts, and native shapes instead of pasted images to maintain quality. Make sure to name layers and slides so collaboration and edits remain straightforward. You finish by adding purpose-driven animations and subtle transitions to guide attention. Avoid overusing effects. Once done, rehearse in play mode using presenter notes and the timer to refine your speak points and pacing. When satisfied, export to the required format: PDF for handouts, PPTX for compatibility, or MP4 for recorded delivery. Confirm resolution and embedded fonts. If something breaks, try replacing a troublesome image with a new export at 72/150 dpi and relink it. This often fixes rendering errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.